Welcome to our English grammar quiz. Today, we'll test your knowledge of English grammar with a series of questions. Let's get started. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. She dashed to school every day. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Going. D. Went. Correct. The answer is B. Goes. Identify the correctly punctuated sentence. Excellent. The correct answer is B. John and Sarah went to the store to buy milk, eggs, and bread. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. I have dash books than he does. A. More. B. Much. C. Most. D. Many. That's right. The answer is A. More. 4. Select the sentence with the correct use of the apostrophe. Correct. The answer is B. The cat's food is in the kitchen. Who's the correct form of the pronoun to complete the sentence? Dash like to read mystery novels. A. He. B. Her. C. She. D. They. Correct. The answer is C. They. Select the sentence with the correct use of articles. That's right. The answer is C. She bought an orange and an apple. Identify the sentence with the correct use of comparative degree. Well done. The correct answer is B. This puzzle is more difficult than that one. Identify the sentence with the correct use of the modal verb. Excellent. The correct answer is C. She can speak Spanish fluently. Choose the correct preposition to complete the sentence. He is interested learning new languages. A. On. B. At. C. In. Correct. The answer is C. In. Choose the correct form of the verb to complete the sentence. They dashed to Paris last summer. A. Goes. B. Gone. C. Go. D. Went. Well done. The correct answer is D. Went. Identify the sentence with the correct use of the gerund. Correct. The answer is B. He enjoys swimming in the ocean. Select the sentence with the correct use of the past perfect tense. Excellent. The correct answer is B. She had gone to the store before she realized it was closed. Choose the correct form of the adjective to complete the sentence. This is movie I have ever seen. A. More exciting. B. Most exciting. C. Exciting. D. Excited. That's right. The answer is B. Most exciting. Identify the sentence with the correct use of the reflexive pronoun. Correct. The answer is B. She gave herself a gift on my birthday. Choose the correct form of the conjunction to complete the sentence. I wanted to go for a walk. It started raining. A. And. B. But. C. So. D. Or. Well done. The correct answer is B. But.